Hey guys, it's Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis, Tennessee, bringing you a 2016 Kenworth T800 glider kit. It's got an N14 Cummins pre-E-log, 5 1/4, 10-speed, 5/16 on the clock. We're going to do a full walk around. It's at operating temperature, so you'll see oil pressure and blow by as well. VIT interior, 72-inch air cab, sleeper. Nice clean on the inside. Dual stacks and breathers, which is pretty sweet for a T8. Highly sought after red-headed Cummins. Got the full light package. Clean underneath, no rust. Sliders blow by, nothing heavy. Back end's equally as clean, no rust on it. Nice moon fenders, matching Yokohamas on the back, Low Pro 22.5s, all aluminum wheels, slider. Hauling for FedEx. You can see it has the pintle hitch for it. Pretty good sign if it's hauling for FedEx, all highway. Well, appreciate you watching. If you need any help on glider kits information, or if you're looking to buy one, definitely hit me up, Joey at truckmarket.com, or give me a call, 901-896-4526. Thank you.